Hello and welcome, dear soul. This is Amara Satyara, and you are listening to Daily Whispers from Spirit, a gentle call from the unseen realms, echoing in the quiet places of your heart. These words arrive not as answers, but as invitations. Let them awaken what you already know deep within. Today's whisper, the flow of eternal life. All are headed to newer expressions of greater awareness of self as love. This is the flow of eternal life. Within lies the freedom of expression, to be, to create, to expand. You are unlimited in all ways. Always. This is the true nature of your being, the true expression. It is the journey within oneself that leads to self-discovery. Remember, the intention has already been placed deep within. It merely needs to be awakened. By the seeking to know oneself, all eventually, knowingly, seek to reach a state of self-realization, to be at one meant with all. Let's reflect on that message. You are not becoming something you are not. You are unveiling what has always been, like a sculpture brushing dust from a buried statue. The truth of your essence is not created. It is revealed. In this eternal flow, you are free to express, free to create, free to remember your wholeness. The path is not linear. It spirals inward, each turn inviting you deeper into communion with the all that is. The moment you choose to seek, you ignite the ancient spark within. That spark knows the way. Let's breathe that in. Ignite the spark, and that's what we are doing through this daily spiritual practice of the whispers, from the unseen to the seen, from the heart of spirit to your heart. Now we move gently to the journal prompts. Prompt number 1. What does being unlimited mean to me today? Emotionally, spiritually, or creatively? What does being unlimited mean to me today? Emotionally, spiritually, or creatively? What does it mean? Notice what you notice, what arises from within, what you feel in your body, what thought comes to mind, either recorded in a journal or just within your mind. These are gentle askings to reflect inward. That's the purpose of these journal prompts, to make us consciously aware of where we are within consciousness. Journal prompt number 2. Where am I being invited to spiral inward, not outward, in search of truth? Where am I being invited to spiral inward, not outward, in search of truth? To go within the self, not seek from the outside world of effect, but the inner world of the knowing. You are the knower. You are the observer. You are the answer you seek. But we must turn within, place our attention and focus on the presence within. So notice what you notice, feel what you feel. As we move to the action step, pause today for one sacred moment. Close your eyes. Place your hand on your heart. Whisper inward. I am free to remember. I am free to be. I am free to remember. I am free to be. I am free to remember. I am free to be. Then listen. Let your soul speak without interruption. Just feel, experience. And this brings us to the affirmation for today's Daily Whisper. There's two, and I will say each one 3 times with conviction. First affirmation. I am an eternal expression of love, always expanding. I am an eternal expression of love, always expanding. I am an eternal expression of love, always expanding. Next affirmation. I trust the flow of life unfolding within me. I trust the flow of life unfolding within me. I trust the flow of life unfolding within me. And this brings us to the closing blessing for today's message. May you remember that self-realization is not a goal. It is a homecoming. May each breath today return you to the truth. You are already one. And so it is. Let it be. It is done. I thank you for joining me for this Daily Whisper today. I thank you for engaging in the spiritual practice that we do each day through the Daily Whispers. That is returning you to the knowing that you are a divine being, that you are whole, that you are complete, that you are loved. So until tomorrow's message, I am Amora Satyara, wishing you a wonderful day filled with love, joy, and peace. Bye-bye.